FRC dumped down after a huge gap around the $16.75. So this is kind of manipulation. Every time the price pump, we have a dump. If we go back, last time we have a huge pump. It was around this level when we visited the $11.78, the price pump. Then we actually dumped, and then we broke from this triangle, boom, and we have the pump and now a dump down. However, this time we're still holding a new support over the 1385. We're going to discuss if there's a potential pump before the power hour for today. We got Silvergate pumped almost over the 30% and now going down. We're going to discuss if there's potential toward ultimate profit taking for this week. BBY going for the ultimate bottom, which is around the 76.95. And we see a bit of hold up right now. We might see a huge explosion for BBY if we broke a critical area we're going to discuss in this video. GameStop is going down because we hit the resistance around the 24.50, and FEYE going down almost 5%. We're going to discuss where's the bottom for the stock. Right now, there's a special offer, 17 free stocks with my special link in comment section below. And those stocks that you can win is DKNG, Tesla, Amazon, and AMC, of course. And how you can win those free stocks? You can just open an account and get 1 free stocks. But if you deposit $100, you have the chance to win 7 free stocks in total. And of course, this offer ends at the end of March. And not just free stocks you get on Momo. You have an access to the free and updated daily short sale data. This will make it easier for you to find those stocks that have potential to squeeze. So use this opportunity and get your 17 free stock with my exclusive link in comment section below. Let's discuss first an FRC, First Republic Bank. This stock is heavily manipulated and still continue to go down. Last time we were like almost 2 months ago, almost around the over the $100, and now the $16. So what we should expect for the price action for this stock? As we suggest that the price will get rejected in our live streaming when we saw this potential hidden seller around the 1675. We got double top. This first test was in pre-market. And the second test, when the market opened, boom, price went down, didn't hold the 15 and continued to go down. So now we have to watch out for this potential support that already we have a great accumulation during the live streaming and even after the live streaming, which is the 1385, which is over our AMA. So if we held this current support, we're going to have the signal to breaking the $15 first signal. Then we're going to have a test for the 1675, which is the confirmation for a pump for FRC, and going toward the 1785 and the 1916. Those is not the ultimate profit taking, but this is the first profit taking that we're gonna have for FRC after we break the 1675, and we might have a haltation for the price after we break the 1916. What is mean haltation? As everybody knows, any stock trading in the Nasdaq have potential haltation if we have the price jump over 10% in this small period of time. That's why we said there's a potential halt here for First Republic Bank after we break the 1916. In the time being, we have to watch this support, the 1385. If we broke it, we're gonna have a test for the $13. Next up on our list, we got Silvergate. Okay, let me just bring my watermark. Got rejected around the $2.45, which is our current resistance. Now we have an important support to hold is above this ascending channel. So you see with me clearly here, we have a bounce and second bounce, third, and now is the first. So this is a critical area to hold for Silvergate to have a reversal, then breaking the $2.45. So now confirmation for a hidden seller, and the short have to cover is around the $2.45 for Silvergate. So if we hold now over this ascending line, we're gonna have a pump, test the $2.45. If we broke it, we're gonna continue toward the $2.84, the 3, and over that. We're gonna do, of course, a pre-market update for this stock because it's pretty volatile for tomorrow market. So stay tuned for that. If we broke this ascending channel, we're gonna have the $1.60 as a bottom. We don't want to break it. It means a huge sell-off. Next up, we got BBY. We got a huge request for BBY from our hunters. Once we broke the $1, as we said before, now is critical situation because we might continue to go down and even further down below the 75. So now the 76 is the current support, and you see that we have a huge triangle for BBY. The price is accumulating for days, over 2 weeks. So it's been accumulating after this huge selling pressure that triggered when we broke the $1. Let me just check how much we have for this drop. Yeah, 27% down. That's why the price have a trouble to retest the $1 because we already been down 27%. So we're gonna take some time to build confidence with the traders, and then we're gonna have a genuine buying pressure once we break this triangle from above. Above this triangle, we're gonna have a trigger for the first signal. So we need to hold the 76, then going toward the 89 below the 90 cent, we'll have a trigger for a squeeze toward the $1. After we break the $1, will be a game on for BBY to go toward this first profit taken. Yeah, first one around the $1.14, and the second one, for my opinion, around the $1.31. Let me just turn it to green. Next up, GameStop got rejected around our resistance, the 24.50, when the market opened. Boom, the price went down, but the good reaction that we're still holding our current support, the $22. So as long as we hold above the $22 and above our AMA, is mean accumulation, then retest the 24.50. We might have a power hour for GameStop, of course. We're gonna have a huge pump toward the 27.50. So this is profit taken and as well squeeze area for GameStop. We're gonna do a short update analysis for GameStop if we have this reaction in power hour on our Discord, Patreon, and YouTube membership. At the time being, we need to hold the 22 because if we don't hold this level for today market or even tomorrow, we're gonna have a huge gap toward the 18.85 for GameStop. Next up on our list, we got FEYE. This stock broke an important support around the 37.42. So this is now is our resistance for FEYE. If we still consolidate and trading below the 37, is mean continue toward the 27. Almost 10 cent drop down if we don't overcome this resistance. So watch out. Now is still the short, heavily shorting after the bad earnings. We got the price drop from the 50 cents, went down to the support, 37, went up, then now continue to go down toward the 27 cent for FEYE. We're gonna do update for the other stock that been heavily requested for us, for AMC, Tesla, and the other stocks, SPY as well. So stay tuned for those updates for tomorrow, and of course we're gonna do live streaming around the 3 p.m. CET or 9 a.m. Eastern time. Thank you for watching and see you in the next update.